Juergen's Industrial Supply, JIS, is celebrating 75 years in business this year. We're a full-line industrial distributor, distributing everything from cutting tools, abrasive products. So about 10 years ago, we went from what I refer to as a Frankenstein system that worked for none of our divisions to one system that's dedicated for the industrial supply side, and that's when we selected Profit 21. It is integral to our operations in the old system in order for us to do a direct shipment, which is a very common practice in our business. It took us 21 steps. In Profit 21, we do it in 3 steps. We've really grown and done a lot with vendor-managed inventory. Vendor-managed inventory has allowed us to grow into this JIS EXPRESS program, which allows us to manage our customers' inventories in a new, unique way. It's a Wi-Fi enabled button that gets installed into our customers' facilities. When they press the button, it connects up with the company's Wi-Fi system. Then at that point, they load in their PO number, and then the order gets directly imported into Profit 21. So that ordering process is right on the shop floor, it's visible to the customer, so they have the inventory that they need when they need it by having that instant connectivity to the Epicor solution. Since we've launched the solution in October of 2017, we have been doubling every 2 months the amount of buttons that we have in the field, the amount of orders we're receiving in the field, and our sales volume as a result of the JIS EXPRESS solution. We would never have been able to do JIS EXPRESS without the openness that Epicor has provided us with the new system in the last few years.